Okay, and remaining two parts we will be see in the next video series. Cool. For EMI calculation, we need this monthly interest and remaining credit. To calculate that, simply use A is equal to price. The product price is this minus your down payment. So this is your this 12% divided by 12. So you will get a monthly interest over here. Now it's time to calculate a EMI. Type PMT function in MS Excel. Now monthly interest rate. Okay. So what is your monthly interest rate? It's this, comma, tenure of months. So this is your tenure of months, comma, this is your remaining credit. Bracket close, press enter. You can see your amount in minus. No need to worry. Simply click here, F9, and then press a minus over here. Press enter. You can see your EMI calculation has been reflected. In part 1, we have already covered how to calculate a EMI. In this series, we're gonna cover total amount paid. In EMI calculations, the total amount paid, total sum you will pay by end of the loan period. This includes both the original loan amount and all interest over a time. So if your EMI is this, okay, for specific months, correct, the total amount payable would be different. So let's calculate that is equal to this, okay, into this many months. So this is your overall total amount payable. Thanks for watching. Have a great day ahead. Welcome to part 3 series. So let's calculate total interest pay. Total interest pay is the extra amount you pay on the top of the loan, calculated by subtracting the original loan amount from the total amount payable. Okay, here we have an example, and I intentionally added this graph to understand you better. Okay, so let's calculate like this. If your total amount payable, which is this, and your remaining credit amount was this, which is your loan, ideally, right? 80,000. Then simple interest pay is 10,381.07. This helps you to see the real cost of borrowing. Thanks for watching. Have a great day ahead. Many of the organization, they offer you half yearly or maybe full yearly bonuses, right? How they calculate that bonus, we are going to showcase you in this series. Okay, suppose this is the basic salary for you and this is the bonus percentage which company has been given to you. Correct. Now to calculate that, we have to add this simple formula. If a bonus percentage is in B2, okay, then what we will be doing, B2 will select it, okay, click divide by, and then we'll say 100 and into your basic salary. Okay, as soon as you're done with this formula, just hit a enter. You can calculate a bonus amount like this. I hope you found this useful, folks. So please hit the subscribe button and thanks for watching. Let's calculate a annual salary in MS Excel. Simply add a is equal to sign and monthly salary. Select a monthly salary, a 12. Since we are calculating a annual salary, so that's what we have added as a 12, and hit enter. And I'll just simply do a control D over here. So this is my annual salary, and I'll change over here sign. Thanks for watching. Have a great day ahead. Let's calculate salary increment. Suppose there is a percentage has been given and we want to calculate a salary basis on the percentage which has been assigned. Correct? To do that, we'll add a simple formula. Before we add that, let me just hide these columns which I don't require. I'll just hide this as well. Here, we'll simply add a formula, current salary. So your current salary is this, into bracket open, we'll add 1 plus your increment percentage. Increment percentage is this, divide by your 100, and then close it, hit enter. So this is the increment which we can see it over here, folks. Okay, I hope you found this useful, folks. So please hit the subscribe button and thanks for watching. Let's calculate gross salary in MS Excel. It's a very simple task to do, folks. Simply add is equal to, what is your basic salary? Basic salary is 50,000 plus your allowances. These are the allowances for you. Press enter. You can see your gross salary. I'll just do a simple control D and then I'll get a result over here. In the next video series, we're gonna cover tax deduction. Thanks for watching. Have a great day ahead. As we have already gross salary calculation, tax deduction, overtime pay, so on and so forth, right? Now it's time to calculate a net salary. We'll only focus on gross salary and minus with deduction. So I'll show you that. Suppose your gross salary is in F2 minus, then your deductions like tax, provident fund, so on and so forth, right? So here we are just taking this as a deduction, which is tax deduction, and press enter. So this is your final result for you guys. Thanks for watching. Have a great day ahead. Since you already watched our previous series, how to calculate a gross salary, now it's time to calculate a tax deduction. To do that, it's a very simple task to do. Just press is equal to sign and add your tax rate. Okay, so this is your tax rate, 10%. And then just say divide by your 100. We'll add 100 over here into a gross salary. So what is your gross salary? Your gross salary is F2. Okay, and then press enter. You will get a tax deduction like this. And I'll just simply press a control D over here. So I'll get a result like this. I hope you found this useful, folks. So please hit the subscribe button and thanks for watching. Since we already covered gross salary, how to calculate that, tax deduction, now it's time to calculate a overtime pay. Okay, how to calculate that? It's a very simple task to do. Press A is equal to and then overtime hours into your hourly rate. So hourly rate is this. And then simply press a control D over here. So you will get a result like this. Thanks for watching. Salary growth calculation based on tenuity and the increment, right? So in this example, we have this dummy data set available with us. Initial CTC was a 1 lakh rupees, and after 1 year, if you see over here, increment is this, and after 5 years, if you could see over here, it's 121,550. Okay, if I add this in a graph, it's look like this. Okay, so we can see the curve, right? How it's increasing. Now there is a question: how they are calculating this salary pay? Okay, and again, it's basis the company, how the company is giving you a increment. Okay, in this example, we have simply added a 1.05 as an increment for each year, and basis that only we are getting this increment. Thanks for watching. Have a great day ahead. So this is the scenario we have. You want to calculate the future value of an investment $5,000 with monthly contribution of $100 over a 5 years at annual interest rate of 6%. Okay, details we have available, right? So here simply formula will calculate as a FV for a future value. Cool. Is equal to FV. Okay, rate over here again, as I rightly mentioned, is 0.005, comma, here we will add 60, comma, minus 100, again minus 5,000. Cool. Bracket close, press enter. So you will get a result like this. So let me just change this currency. Thanks for watching. Have a great day ahead. Suppose you have a yearly package like this, and this is the your months available. What you need to do for that is equal to select this, divide by your months. Okay, so this is your monthly gross salary. Cool. Thanks for watching. Have a great day ahead. Of the colleague was asking, right? He got annual package of 6 lakh per annum. Here is how estimate the monthly in hand salary. Let's calculate that. Okay. This is the gross monthly salary, and this is for an yearly. So that's the reason we have added as a 12 and 36 lakh we have added over here per annum, right? And then 0.25, which we have considered as a deductions, income tax, provident fund, other benefits, all around. Okay, it's 20 to 30%. Just an estimation we have added over here. Again, it's basis company to company how they deduct a salary from the respective individuals. So that's what it is. Formula like this. Okay, 0.25, and this is my overall amount to this. Cool. That's my deduction. This is my deduction, and then I'll simply press OK.
a specific service level. How to do that? 4 into standard deviation again into your lead time equal to E2, okay, which is your Z score for service level. It's a C2 into square root, cool, square root your lead time. So what is your lead time? Lead time is D2 bracket close, and then just hit OK. So there you go. This is how you can calculate safety stock calculation using